Top 5 herbs for kidney cleansing. The kidneys play a vital role in keeping the body healthy. They are 2 in number, left kidney and right kidney, shaped like beans, and located in the lower back, just below the rib cage. Please watch the full video for the full detail. Functions of kidneys. The kidneys filter out the waste material from the blood through urine. So, urinate early when you urge it. As a result of their filtration process, they regulate blood pressure and balance electrolytes. Besides filtering out old and dead blood cells through urination, they contribute to fresh red blood cell production. With time, the kidneys can become weak or damaged due to workload, disease, infection, or other factors. Consequently, this causes kidney functions to be impaired, resulting in other health problems. Herbs for kidney cleansing. It is thought that herbs can cleanse kidneys and contribute to boosting their functions, and resultantly improve overall body health. In this video, you will learn about the top 5 herbs for kidney cleansing. Let's watch detail. Number 1. Parsley. Parsley is a herb commonly used as a garnish on foods. However, it's also said to be a powerful kidney cleansing herb. Parsley may have mild diuretic properties that could help promote urination. Parsley would help remove toxins via the kidneys and reduce swelling from water retention. Parsley is also a good source of antioxidants and vitamins A, C, and K. These nutrients might help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and improve overall health. Number 2. Cranberry. Cranberry has many health benefits, including the ability to fight urinary tract infections. Cranberries contain a compound called proanthocyanidins, PACs, which might help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract and causing infection. Cranberry juice is also thought to help increase the amount of water in the urine, which helps to flush out bacteria and toxins. In addition to its urinary tract benefits, cranberry is also a good source of antioxidants, which might help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Number 3. Juniper Berry. Juniper berry is a herb found in many kidney cleansing supplements. It's thought to be a natural diuretic which might help promote urination. This would help remove toxins via the kidneys and reduce swelling from water retention. Juniper berry is also a good source of antioxidants, which might protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Note that it should be consumed in moderation. Number 4. Dandelion. Dandelion has mild diuretic properties which could potentially help promote urine production and reduce water retention. This would help relieve some of the symptoms associated with kidney problems, such as swelling in the legs and feet. Dandelion is also a source of antioxidants, which might help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Number 5. Horsetail. Horsetail is a herb that's often used in traditional medicine to treat urinary tract infections and kidney stones. It's also thought to improve kidney function by working as a diuretic to help the body eliminate excess fluid.